Smoke's Mountains. So what are we doing today?
Today we're going to the first track and hope our car doesn't get destroyed.
What? Jeez. Okay.
I mean, it's something you gotta think about.
Okay.
And I don't know, I guess that's about all.
All right. We'll check in later with some action. 15 minutes, buddy.
Yeah. Then we're gonna get to the track and hopefully have some good passes.
Yeah, we got our caravan with us. Micah behind us. And my dad met us in Salina this morning. He stayed there and he brought his motorcycle. So I think he's gonna bail after today, but he may go to Pueblo also. Not sure, but can't wait till we get into the track and get this thing unloaded. Eventually down track, I decided to run some boost and at least see what the boost does. So, we have a little bit of data and commentary from Hunter and Micah making fun of me and wife already texting. So, yeah, oops.
We'll get another pass going, right?
Yep. Yeah, we'll get probably a couple more tonight.
Yeah. All right, so we'll see what the results are. 9.25. Okay, so what happened?
Not good things. So it launched decent, had to fight the steering wheel. It was pulling me all over the place, but it was fun. And then got going, and then somewhere before the 8th it laid over and apparently blew a head gasket pretty bad. So there was water draining out of the wastegate dump and motor shut off, and yeah, so we may end up just calling it instead of, because of the aluminum block and a head gasket that bad, there's a good chance it burned up the block or head or whatever. This side smoked too. Both sides, same cylinder. Weird. And then just me and Marcus drive the truck and then follow you guys, and then we can watch races and still go along. But it ran a 576 at just 15 pounds of boost, which isn't too bad, but it blew up, so I don't know why. The drive of shame, Micah pulling me back. Actually, Hunter, I think, is driving, but pulling me back to the truck so that we can park the 3000 there, and then we will take the unload the unhook the trailer and take the truck, and me and Marcus are gonna cruise in air conditioning for the rest of the week while these guys finish their road week. And there's some awards and stuff for the road weekers too, so they want to keep going, and so do I, so I want to watch everybody race and everything. So yeah, we'll get it fixed when we get home, and hopefully figure out what the heck happened. Because looked at the tune, it was only 15 pounds of boost and only like 15 degrees of timing, so should have been totally fine. But 2 plugs are definitely showed nasty head gasket damage. All right. Oh, looks like this guy's. Oh, you were snoozing.